Hey everyone, we got 2010 Pontiac Vibe 1.8 liter front wheel drive doing the rear wheel hub assembly, and didn't want to mess with just replacing the bearings. I figured just do the whole assembly. Unfortunately, it is like welded on here with a gasket, metal gasket. Trying to find information and could not. So, want to toss something out there. You can't just yank it off. This piece right here is all attached up. It literally was welded on there before. And you need this bracket to put the brake pad holder bracket and then the caliper back in there. So I took a grinder to it and out here chiseling, and finally got it loose enough to go through a little bit. Still doesn't come up the whole way, but the best things you can do, take a grinder, take your sawzall. I haven't opened that yet because try to do with what tools I have. So boom, that one's going back, or else in the garage for later. But this sucks. Took a little bit of time. Did too much looking into it. Figure I'd post something. Good luck. Have fun. Chisel away.